Best friends. There were 4 friends: circle, square, triangle and rectangle. One day there began a fight between the friends. Each of them said they were the best. Circle said, "I am the best. I am round and beautiful. I have no sharp edges. Children use me to draw a smiling face. There are so many beautiful things in my shape. I am the best." The other shapes refused to agree with the circle. Square then said, "I am the best. I have 4 sides and all of them are equal in size. Children eat many sweets which are square in shape. I look very beautiful and so I am the best." After listening to this, Triangle said in a loud voice, "I am the best. Just look at me. I am so beautiful. I have 3 sides. Children use me to draw mountains. They enjoy many yummy snacks in my shape. So, I am the best." Listening to the other 3 friends, Rectangle laughed aloud. "Of course not. No one can be better than me. I have 4 sides. 2 are equally long and 2 are equally short. I look so beautiful. Children enjoy biscuits and chocolate in rectangle shape. They also use so many things in my shape. I am the best," said the rectangle. "What do you think will happen now?" The friends could not decide who was the best among them. They decided to ask the first person they meet. After some time, they met a star. They stopped her and told her of their fight. They asked her to decide who was the best among them. The star was wise. She looked at all of them. She thought for a while. Then she said, "All of you are friends. Then why should you fight? Let me tell you something very important. Do you know what you could do if you were together? You could create the most beautiful pictures and patterns. Just look around. We find amazing designs and things in all the shapes. So, stop fighting. Together we all can create wonders." The friends realized their mistake and promised each other that they would never fight again. They remained best friends forever.